alternatives to your favorite desserts. So we're going to be making healthy brownies, cookie dough, frozen yogurt bark, chocolate fudge balls, and also chocolate covered banana popsicles. A lot of these recipes also have similar ingredients in them, so if you make one of them and then decide you want to try a different dessert recipe later on, feel free to come back to this video because you will probably already have a lot of the ingredients. And now let's just go ahead and get started with the recipes. To make these chocolate fudge protein balls, start by taking the pits out of your dates if they're not already and then adding them to a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of water to your dates and blend. Once your dates are blended, transfer that mixture into a bowl and then add the rest of your ingredients. I'm using the chocolate lean protein and cacao powder from Tropica, which I highly recommend, so if you want to try it out for yourself, you can use my code ANNA15 to get 15% off, and I'll leave a link to their website down in the description. Once you've added all of your ingredients, stir them together, and to do this, you may need to add 1 to 2 more tablespoons of water. Finally, roll your batter into bite-sized balls, and you can store these in the fridge. To make this frozen yogurt bark, start by mixing together the yogurt and maple syrup. Once they are combined, lay out some parchment paper on a pan and then spread your yogurt on top of that. Now add some toppings, so I added blueberries and granola, but feel free to add any toppings that you like. Then place this in the freezer until it has fully hardened. Finally, once it's hard, just break it up into pieces. Make sure to store these in the freezer because otherwise they will melt. To make these chocolate-covered banana popsicles, start by slicing your banana into quarters. Once your banana is sliced, add a popsicle stick to each piece and then place them in the freezer. Next, take your 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt it in either the microwave or the stovetop. Once the coconut oil has melted, mix in the rest of your ingredients. This will create the chocolate sauce. Finally, take your bananas out of the freezer and dip them into the chocolate sauce. Since the bananas are already frozen, the sauce should harden very quickly and then you can just store them in the freezer.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
To make this edible cookie dough, start by combining your chickpeas with the mashed banana and milk of choice to blend until smooth. Then place that mixture into a bowl and add the rest of your ingredients. This recipe is meant to be eaten as cookie dough, so I don't recommend trying to bake this into actual cookies. As you can see, this makes quite a bit of cookie dough, so once it's all combined, just put as much as you would like in a bowl, and this also works really good as a dip. We are now going to make my favorite recipe of this video, which are these delicious sweet potato brownies. Using a fork, poke a few holes in 2 small or 1 large sweet potato and then bake them. Now remove the skin from your baked sweet potatoes and mash them. Now transfer the sweet potato into a bowl and mix with all of your other ingredients. Once all of your ingredients are combined, transfer that mixture into a pan with parchment paper. Add additional sea salt and chocolate chips on top, and then bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they have finished baking and have cooled down a bit, slice them up into 12 brownies. Finally, just transfer them onto a plate and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and once we hit 2 million subscribers, I'll do my first ever live stream stretch and Q&A.